everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. I started vlogging the day after completing my all morning batches. So I was having my evening tea. And while having my tea, I cleared my desk and also cleaned my room. And after that, I started editing the videos. So the video was rendering and it was saying that it will take more than 12 minutes to render. And then I did the thumbnail of that video and finally I uploaded that video on YouTube. Then I got ready for my online classes and this was the situation of all my makeup stuff. I use very basic stuff for my daily makeup. And after that, I cleaned the room again. Then I created some notes that I wanted to do. And after that, my evening batches started. After completing my all online batches, I again started editing the video. I also transferred some files in my hard disk from my laptop. So while data was transferring, I did some shoot of my Mandala YouTube channel. And at the end of the day, I pampered myself by changing my nail color. So I love to apply bright colors as it looks very beautiful and fresh in all my DIY and tutorial videos. And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.